Thanks for coming back, guys. So today's recipe is curry chicken with some Irish potato in it. Before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button and tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as more recipes are posted. This is all my ingredients that I need for my dinner today. My curry powder, as you see, my Maggie all-purpose, black pepper, salt, oil, paprika. I'm gonna put some paprika, scallion or green onion, thyme, garlic, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper or sweet pepper, and I have a jalapeno pepper right here. I'm doing some potatoes because my kids, they just love their potatoes in their curry chicken. Of course, you can't forget about your vinegar and your lime because you know you got to clean that chicken really good. And of course, my chicken. I'm about to season my chicken right now. So here is all my powder seasoning that I have going on in here. I have my black pepper, my Maggie, salt, paprika right up in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add this to my chicken. So here I go. I just kind of sprinkle it around. And as I said, you know, I'll have all the measurements and so forth in the description box below. This is my curry powder, but I'll need this later on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go in and marinate as usual. And as I always say, you know, if you could do it from overnight, best. Because you want all of this seasoning to soak in all the way in. Because you want to taste that nice flavor. All right, so I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes and just soak right in. While my chicken is over there marinating for 15 minutes, let's go ahead and start chopping our onions, our green onions, and the rest of our seasoning up. Already washed and stripped, so I'm just gonna go ahead and start chopping away. And today I have a sharp knife, so I'm just going in, just cutting. And you know, as I said before, I love to cook with a lot of my green onions and scallion because the flavor, that's what's gonna give your food a lot of flavor. Grab that onion. My bell pepper, my sweet pepper, you know, just so this amount that I need. This is my thyme, so I'm just gonna cut it in half here, like so. Oh, my garlic, just trying to cut it up as small as I can get it. And with the garlic, I'm gonna just take 2 pieces and throw it in the container that I have my curry powder in. It's a few pieces. Set that aside. My pepper, jalapeno pepper. My Scotch bonnet pepper. My dad, he loves his Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just gonna give him quite a bit. I'm gonna give him today. So I'm just gonna grab a container and put all my chopped seasoning in until I'm ready. At this time, I'm gonna go ahead and my chopped seasoning, I'm gonna split in half. So I'm putting some in this container right here. And some in this other container right here. Ready to put my pot on the stove on high heat, and then when it's hot, add my oil. My pot is hot and ready. I'm gonna go ahead and burn my curry powder along with the garlic that I have in here, and then slowly saute my chicken with added scallion and the seasoning that I have right here, the scallion, the onion, the pepper, the thyme, and let that simmer for 15 minutes before I add the rest of my chopped seasoning. Okay, after sauteing for 15 minutes, as you can see, it starts to make its own water. So at this point, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the lid on and let it simmer for 15. So you see how I peel my potatoes? Let's dice these baby up. And then I'm just gonna set them in this container right here until I'm ready for them. My 15 minutes of simmering time is up. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add some water. add my rest of my seasoning right here, chopped seasoning, half of my lime. I'm adding, this is a nice trick. It gives the food such a nice kick. The curry chicken, such a nice kick. And then in the last 10 minutes of 35 minutes of cooking time, I'm gonna add my potatoes. I have 3 cups of water right in here. Last 10 minutes and I'm ready to add my potatoes. Do not want my potatoes to be overcooked, so I didn't add them earlier. And I don't want them to be undercooked, so. Look at this, guys. Dinner is ready. Look at this. So I have my curry chicken with my Irish potato served over some white rice, and I fried some rye plantain right here on the side. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at my chicken. Look. And I'm telling you, it smells delicious. OMG. Watch me dig in. The smell. OMG. Perfect. Perfect. Just the right amount of seasoning. Perfect. Perfect. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye for now. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over